Money is not easy and doing the job that you do. Honestly, God bless you.
Amen.
All right. I've seen so many penises today. This is the last one I'm seeing. In fact, this table has 2 of them. All right. So can you got no condoms here. Can we have a demonstration of how to wear a condom? Who's going to do us a demonstration on how to wear a condom? Come on. I need a demonstration. All right.
This one is for male. So we are doing the one for male. So we remove it like this. Then this one is the penis. Stretch it like this. You make sure it has.
You should do something else.
So
Okay, so what did you do wrong?
you make sure that there is an air
Uh-huh.
so that the condom should not burst.
So how do you make sure there's air? Yeah. Okay, let's do another one. Okay, let's do this one. So what did you think you did wrong? Uh-huh.
So now air gets
Okay. So you have to make sure there's no air. So wait, hold on. This one is this way, right? So when you do it here, the first thing you do is you get rid of the air, like that. Get rid of the air.
Yes.
So this one has no air now.
Yes.
Oh, it does. How do you get rid of the air? So you squeeze the top, make sure there's no air, and then you roll it down. The reason why you don't want air is because if there's air, then there's a chance of it exploding. So no air, flat. Okay, cool. Police are doing that, we should call them out. Alright? We should call them out. Because they're supposed to protect you, not to endanger you. Alright? And not to misuse you. Alright? And sex workers remain illegal in Kenya, so to speak, but we know that we have a lot of women who are in sex work, and some of them don't want an alternative. This is their work and this is what they want to continue doing, right? So we need to be able to protect them, right? And those who want to stop, right, we have interventions through national government affirmative action to try and help the groups become able to do something else. But I've met the 2 cadres of people. So for me as a leader is to make sure that those who do sex work and want to continue doing their sex work, right, they are protected.
Yes,
Right? All right? Because it's not here to judge you and say, no, this is not the work that you're supposed to do. At the end of the day, sex work has happened all over the world from before Jesus Christ to the end.
And we are there to stay.
I don't see you. Yeah, exactly. So the thing is, yes, we'll figure out a way to make sure that you're safe. And I think the first thing to do is learn how to protect yourselves. Right? So let's figure out how we can have classes for them to be able to protect themselves.
We'll be following you for that information.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Yep. Yes.
Hi.
Everywhere I've gone, this penis is everywhere.
We want to ensure that people know how to use and wear
Wear a condom. Yeah, I remember somebody said they once did a demonstration on a finger,
Yeah.
and the guy went home, put the condom on his finger, and had sex with the wife, and he wondered why. Right? So now you actually show him it has to be put here. Yeah.
These dishes, we deal with MSNs. MSNs are female sex with men, and we're based in Nairobi. We have a cohort of about 8,000 able-bodied people that we serve in Nairobi County and all its sub-counties.
Yeah, I did meet your organization during COVID, and I think I gave you some food.
Yes, thank you so much
Yes.
for that.
Yes, yes. So Kenyans like to pretend that they're so holy and they know it all,
Yeah.
right? I say only God can judge us, and they have no authority to judge anyone. So for me, if men prefer to have sex with men, that's your business, not my business.
Yeah.
All right? And we as a government, I think we need to make sure that we protect everyone. All right? The Constitution says protect everyone. And when God said thou shalt not kill, he did not say thou shalt not kill, but kill the MSM or kill the LGBTQI. It was just thou shalt not kill anyone. All right? So love your neighbor. He did not say love your neighbor except an LGBTQI. He said love your neighbor. So irrespective of what you are. So for me, you know, people don't seem to understand, right? But at the end of the day, one's sexual orientation is their business. When you're a consenting adult, it's your business, all right? If it's a crime, if you rape, if you sodomize somebody didn't want to be sodomized, that's criminal, right? If you go and lure children, that's criminal, whether you're heterosexual or LGBTQI. So for me, I know that in Kenya, we have men who sleep with men, all right? And it's not going to go away today. It's not going to go away tomorrow, all right? So for us is to support you, and I'm really proud of you for standing up to be counted to protect yourselves. I really am proud of you.
Thank you so much.
I think that this is a group that's there. They don't have the here, but
Yeah.
condoms, one of the tools. So they prep them. They also lubricants so that
Right. So today we celebrate you and use a condom. Stay safe.
Safer is sexy.
Safer is sexy. Right. That's the last one here. Okay, like premium condoms. All right, so so it's black, but you got a blue condom.
So basically we are Mila Pharmaceuticals. So we're based in Nairobi. So we are a private company in conjunction with the government. So we are basically we
So you're adopted for pleasure.
for pleasure. So we in conjunction with the government we do donations to cancer. So we want to curb the deficit of condom storage.
Thank you. Thank you. And where's your parent company?
Parent company, we are the main company.
Yeah, but where do you get your product?
From India.
From England. So from India. Yeah. Okay, fantastic.
This one is 30. At the moment it was selling at 30, but in the retail stores it's at 100.
So where can
How many inside?
there are three. It's
3 for 30 bob. So wait,
400.
no, that's at retail, but you sell it
We normally sell it at 40 bob
to.
to the kiosk, local kiosk.
So the kiosk is making over 100% profit.
Sure, yeah.
So why can't you tell them there's a recommended sale price?
Yeah, we are working on that. We are doing that actually. So that's why even today we are donating some being International Condoms Day, giving this one even at a 30 bob mainly today. We recommend.
So at the moment, since it's a new product in the market, we have to cut our losses. So first things first, we want to make awareness first, and then afterwards, it will be very affordable for you.
So it's called Leo. Today, started for pleasure.
Like this,
right? Wow.
Yeah, looks like this.
Okay, I mean, right. So you can see, you can blow it up and it's not going to have any, right? Okay. All right, so it's not a balloon, all right?
It's not a balloon.
This is a standard condom, retailing at 100 shillings. So for good sex, 30 shillings. Right?
Sure. So today I'm telling people to make love, being the month of love, let us make love and not unwanted babies.
Let's make love, not unwanted babies. Okay? Trust, ribbed. Yeah, I remember trust. Trust has been there forever. Yeah. Okay, so you got the standard, you got the ribbed, and you've got the classic. And how much is it retailing?
Retailing is selling at 50 bob.
For one. Sasa hiyo leo ndio itakushinda. Bei yake ni 33 bob.
But we go with the quality.
Hapana. Wewe usiseme quality. Tumeona imepanuliwa kama balloon, hakuna shida hapo. Punguza bei. Yes. Okay. Condomize.
Welcome to COND0M Kenya. We are local NGO that's funded through CBC, men's HIV programming across the country, but we also have a program in Nairobi called Connect, and this includes HIV prevention, care and treatment services. Under prevention, we have HIV testing services, we have prevention services which includes the condom, pre-exposure prophylaxis, post-exposure prophylaxis.
So where do you operate from?
We have programs all across the country.
In Nairobi?
In Nairobi, we have Connect. Our offices are in the Avenue Kilimani, and under that we have a drinks component.
So do you go out or people come to you?
We actually work with the county government, Department of Health. We work in there. We work together. It's a partnership.
Okay.
Support the facility.
Fantastic.
And
So all the Tumaini centers will be having?
Yeah. In the centers and other HIV clinics.
we support HIV, but also at the community we support adolescents.